how to buy SUI DEPIN token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure first to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. And after that, go there and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a big community there. Now, to be able to buy this token, open it on CoinGisco. It's available there. Now, after that, what you need to do is just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token came under the Solana network. Now, open your wallet. For this, I will use Bitkit wallet. Select the token here at the network, as a Solana. Now, click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here. As you can see, this is it. Click on this plus icon. And now go back to your wallet like that and find your token here. As you can see it, this is it. Now just click on it, click on swap here, and after that switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. And after that, it's simple, just click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the SUI DEPIN token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.